Ever seen a Zentangle pattern that looks like it just washed up from the deep blue sea? This one's called Oysteroid, and yes, it totally looks like an oyster got a glow up. It's swirly, it's elegant, and it's easier than shucking the real thing. No seafood tools required. So grab a pen and let's dive into this Tangle treasure together.
You can do it, just take it slow. Every line a masterpiece, let it show.
Looking for a fun and organic pattern to add to your Tangle art? In today's video, we're diving into Oysteroid, a beautiful tangle with a unique shape and flow that's easy to learn and perfect for any Tangler's collection. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, you'll love how relaxing this pattern is to draw. A little about Oysteroid. Oysteroid is a lovely organic tangle pattern created by Jody Genovese. This tangle resembles the shape of an oyster shell, with gentle curves that create a soft, flowing design. It's perfect for filling spaces, adding texture, and enhancing your tangle tiles with minimal effort. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share my videos, as it lets YouTube know that my content is worth sharing to new audiences. As a very new channel, I thank you.
Gentle strokes, the journey starts. A canvas blooms from simple arts. In tranquil lines, your zen unfolds.